The challenge was that I was wanting to get off of the tools, didn't have the extra money in the business to enable me to get off of the tools. So I just head in the sand and just kept working with no real end goal in sight. Now I've got the systems in place to have kind of a game plan of where I'm taking the business going forward, and that's been a game changer for me. Up until now, I've learned all of the aspects of on the tools kind of thing, but the business side of things, like getting the spreadsheets down, the systems to put in place, my turnover was just flatlining for the whole every year was the same turnover, whereas now I've got 2 decent sized projects on now, totaling about 400k since Christmas, and they're running alongside each other. I'm getting some guys doing the tool work now as opposed to me. I'm seeing things start to snowball forwards. Paul broke it down really well, how he's one of the tools, and then he had a bit of a moment when he was in the loft one day and things had to change for him, and the fact that he's been through it and you can see how far Paul's come, it really opened my eyes up to what you can achieve. 100% I'd recommend Trade Mastermind. All the pieces of the puzzle are starting to fall into place now. If you're thinking about it, just go for it, take the plunge.